everybody, it's Adam, and I am coming to you live today from New York City. This is Times Square.
Keep the camera rolling.
Wrapping up, this has been great.
Spunky as ever.
Keep on ticking.
Hi there, my name is Adam Pick, and I'm the patient who started HeartValveSurgery.com. Since 2006, this website has helped millions of people who are struggling with heart valve disease, an underdiagnosed and undertreated cardiac disorder. So you know, I designed this website with many other patients and leading heart valve experts to educate and empower you. I want you to know that you're not alone. Our community and our educational resources can help you from the moment you're diagnosed to the moment you feel completely recovered. While here, I'd encourage you to meet patients in our community, visit the Learning Center, watch some great educational videos, or research some of the leading heart valve doctors in our Surgeon Finder or Heart Hospitals section. If you need anything, please let me know. I'm here to help you along your journey to a healthy heart. And as we always say here, keep on ticking.
And I'm proud of what you do every day with this site. It's awesome. I mean, you help people every day. I'm really proud of you.
And I keep the camera rolling. I'm proud of you too.
All right,
Let's hug it out.
there's a lot of love in the air. Love this guy.